We are very happy here to introduce our director, sir. He needs no introduction. He's such a dynamic personality, he needs no introduction. But because maybe this is the first time that the students will be interacting with sir and sir will be interacting with the students. Sir, we have had familiarization sessions in 2 phases with the students. The first session was taken by the senior faculties, all the nodal officers and the senior faculties were taking the familiarization sessions. And as per your direction, all the other faculties have also taken their familiarization sessions and they have interacted with the students. So almost every single faculty of all the center has interacted with the students, have had some very good sessions. The students have enjoyed the sessions, can be visible from their feedbacks and the chats that we have received from students. So good knowledge has been shared. So we may now request you to please share your interaction, share your ideas with the students. Let's motivate the students with your words, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Ranu Chauhan, madam, and hi everybody. And I welcome all the nodal officers and dedicated faculty members and the staff of the IITTM. And I welcome my dear students entering into a new fascinating world of tourism and travel. If history is taken up and seen, that then it seems that all great personalities have made many purposeful journeys. Nobody grew up sitting at home. Great people came out, took stock of the situation where they arrived, adopted to those conditions, understood the newness of those places, vented their curiosities towards those places. At the same time, they told the people of the new country about their own country, gave knowledge of their education and experiences. They shared their education and experiences also, documented the same knowledge of their education and experiences of new places. What they have seen, what they have learned, they have distributed it to the world, and after doing so, his name were bound to be immortal. They had to become great. Adi Shankaracharya, Huyen Tsang, Vasco da Gama, Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekananda, even more names. They all were travelers. And now in front of me, I have such an army strength with lots of curiosities, who has just knocked the door of IITTM, the world of tourism. Your quest, creative, and tendency to do something new is going to give a new color to the world of tourism. Now our people in the tourism and travel sector will give IITTM Sanskarit services to the tourists of the nation and of the world. Those tourists who will come out due to various curiosities, desires, and a lot of other reasons, the people of IITTM will give them a complete tourism-related services. And this work is very good. ये बहुत पवित्र काम है. तुम लोग भारत की दबी छिपी रह गई भारतीय संस्कृति को सशक्त करोगे, संरक्षित करोगे और पर्यटकों के सम्मुख परोसोगे. तुम IITTM से जुड़े सभी लोग पर्यटन और देशाटन को निकलने वाले विशाल पर्यटक और जन समुदाय को एक सुखद, सुरक्षित और दैवीय यात्रा का अनुभव प्रदान करने में अपने हिस्से की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाओगे. तुम सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. Thank you very much. All the best and Jai Hind. Over to Rani.
Thank you so much, sir, for all the zeal, for all the hope that you have given to the students. I am sure they are blessed hearing you. And very soon we'll be welcoming them here in the campus. And then we expect that you and the students will have some more fruitful sessions together. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, students. This was a very fruitful message given by our director, sir, Professor Alok Sharma ji. We have one more session left, sir. So I request the students to join the last session of our familiarization. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much to all the nodal officers. Thank you so much to all the students again. Thank you so much, all.
मेरे को
Thank you, sir.